You know that besides our usual daily masses here at the Manila Cathedral, our Mother Church would welcome couples preparing for marriage and couples who are couples on their wedding day. Example lang, mamayang hapon may 2 po tayong kasal. Sa December, madami po tayong kasal. As in madami, no? And one day, I got to interview a couple. Tinanong ko sila na matapos ang mahabang panahon na pinagsamahan nila, bakit nila pinili ang bawat isa? No, sa mga magpapakasal dito, binigyan ko na kayo ng clue ano ang tinatanong ko sa wedding interview. No, tinanong ko, bakit ninyo pinili ang bawat isa na ngayon magpapakasal na kayo? And the soon-to-be bride kept on saying the words, compassionship. And I was telling myself, nothing in the Webster's dictionary or even in Google can you find the word compassionship. And I was silently correcting her, companionship. And as she was slowly uncovering the story, masyadong pakialamero si Father deep within. It was companionship that she meant. She saw in her partner not only a companion, but a companion with that certain sense of compassion for her and for the life that they will both share. I do believe that this made Saint Luke someone we remember today and a saint. He was not only a companion to Saint Paul, but he had that compassion for this man. He had compassion to Saint Paul during those moments when times were so hard for him. Kay San Pablo, narinig po natin marahil sa ilang mga kwento niya that he would find this person of Luke na hindi nang iwan dahil madami nang umayaw sa kanya, madami na nag-reject din sa kanya. We've heard how St. Paul was also despised, how he was rejected. But here comes Luke, someone whom he said is faithful and helpful in his ministry. Not only as a companion, but a constant with compassion. And this is how Jesus with us and how he stayed with his disciples when he sent them out to their mission. He worked with them. And I do believe compassionship was true for Jesus. Sinamahan sila ni Jesus sa saya. Nakiramay si Jesus sa mga panahon na sila rin ay nalulungkot na. Kasama si Jesus, niraos nila ang araw-araw na hirap ng kanilang misyon. Compassionship. A heart not only ready to be a friend, but a giving of a heart to that someone you value a lot. My dear brothers and sisters, you may have companions, but may not have compassion to you. May kasama ka, pero hindi yan tunay na kaibigan. Alam mong may kasama ka, pero mamaya kaaway mo na yan. But we may be a companion, but do we have that compassion for them? Because it takes to be a companion, to have a companion who has that compassion to you as well. Isang taong alam mong nariyan, pero patuloy kang sasamahan at aalalayan. We thank the Lord for the gift of Saint Luke and for the gift of Jesus. Their compassionship made things light for us until today. Let us also try, not only for couples, but to all of us, to live in compassionship. I know that's not part of the English grammar, but someone as a companion with compassion for those we value and for those around us in our lives.